make sure that you mix the soap really well and so that there's no chunks. So you can see in here that there's still a little guy floating around. It's almost melted. I might need to put it back in the microwave for another few seconds, but I'm gonna see how this goes first. Bunch it so that the funnel is going to reach really close to the bottom of the bag. That will prevent dripping on the side of the plastic. If you have any drips on the side of the plastic, it will look not as good. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take the liquid soap and you're going to pour it into the funnel. And then you're gonna very slowly take the funnel out. You wanna do it slowly because you don't want that to drip on the plastic either. Then you're going to put your fish into the bag. So you have to open the bag a little bit to do that. Okay, so now my fish is upside down. So I'm gonna have to turn it a tiny bit, and to do that, I'm gonna use my stick. I'm going to take my little goldfish and I'm going to let it sit in an ice bath. When you put it into the ice bath, it actually starts to float. So you're gonna wanna leave it in there probably for about 20 minutes or so for it to set. And then once it's set, you can close the bag and you're all ready to go. Now I'm going to take these out of the water. Good too. And the only other thing you need to do is put a little twist tie on. So you've got this little soap in a bag, really cute. And you're wondering, how can I use this soap? If you want to use your soap to wash your hands with, all you have to do is take the bag off. So either you can peel the bag or you can cut the bag, make a little cut, and then there you go. Got a bar of soap. Wash your hands with.